everyone, today we are making turmeric and kójic acid goat's milk soap. So first things first, I'm getting my laptop ready so I can see my formula. I'm going to make 10 ounces of turmeric and kójic acid goat's milk soap. I'm going to start by cutting my soaps here, soap base in cubes, and I'm measuring in grams. So we have an order of 10 ounces of turmeric and kójic acid goat milk soap. So I am going to cut. This is a soap base of triple butter. So that's cocoa butter, shea butter, and mango butter soap base. I'm going to be adding coconut oil to this soap base and also avocado oil. So that's 238 grams. Let's see how many ounces that is. 8 ounces. So I still have more to go. So I do write all of my cosmetic formulas in Excel. It's extremely useful. Let's go 2 ounces. That should be good. And then that's probably too much. 183 for 10 ounces. I need 283.5 grams. Almost there. Awesome. Oh, I actually need 15 ounces because I'm making 3 soaps and each soap is 5 ounces. 125. So I need 425.25 grams. And I need 387 grams of soap. Great. So 387. 294. Just a little bit more. Yep, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to melt this at 30-second intervals. Now that that's done, let's get our turmeric and our goat milk powder and our kójic acid ready. This is the kójic acid, this is the goat milk powder, and this is the turmeric powder. Okay, they want to add honey to one of the soaps, so we are going to add honey. Okay, raw unfiltered honey. So let's start out by weighing out our powders. Going to tare that. So we need 4.26 grams of turmeric powder. Let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, that was a bit much. Let's see if our soap base is ready or if it needs more time. Yeah, definitely not ready. There's still some chunks in there. Okay, let's put it back. Too much turmeric, so let's put back a little bit. 4.26. We need 4.26. Okay, perfect. A little bit extra, but that's good too. Okay, so now we'll put that back, and now let's put the kójic acid in. I'm gonna tare that, and then I need the same amount, 4.26 grams. And I am gonna wear my goggles for safety. And you want to typically start this at the beginning. Okay, great. So let's start adding our kójic acid. With the kójic acid, you want to be very exact, but 1 to 2% is the recommended usage rate. Okay, so now that we have that, we're moving on to goat milk powder at 3%. We need 12.78 grams. It's kind of packed in there. 12.78. And we just need a little bit more. Okay, that's good. And for goat milk, you can go a little bit over. Not a big deal at all. Okay, and now we've done our powders full of good fats and exfoliating, brightening properties. Now we need our soap. Let's check if it's ready. Oh yes. And then we need our oils. It seems like it needs about 10 more seconds. So let's pop it back in there. You can do this in the microwave or you can do it in a double boiler. So this is my coconut oil that I use, organic virgin coconut oil. It's cold pressed and unrefined. So you want to make sure Ooh, thank you so much for your likes and follows, everyone. Really appreciate you. But you want to make sure that any oil that you purchase is cold pressed and unrefined if it's for skincare. So, yeah. If you're interested to see the full ingredient list and other products, link in bio. You're welcome to see the link in bio. Coconut oil at 3%, we need 12.78. Okay, so I am gonna put it in here. So let's start with our measuring cup. Tear that. Okay, so that was a little bit much. Let's take it by parts. Okay, great, right on the dot. Next, let's add in our other oil. So I'm going to tear it and I'm going to add another 3%. Tell me which oil y'all think I should use, avocado oil or olive oil. Okay, so comment on the chat if I should add olive oil or avocado oil. So this is the olive oil. It's also first cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil. And then I've got my avocado oil too, but it's actually in a extra virgin olive oil. I've switched it because this is a glass bottle. So both are organic. Oh, it looks good. Thank you, Fiji. Okay, so I guess I'll pick. Fiji said olive or avocado. So hard. Maybe I'll just put in both. Half and half. So 6 grams of each, and then 6.78 of another. Okay. This one is olive. Okay, good. Guys, and you can definitely pick your own oil. I have an oil selection on my shop. So you can pick, link in bio. Okay. And this is the avocado oil. So I'm just going to go until it's 12.78 grams. Went a little bit over, but that's fine. Great. So now I am going to add, first I'm going to add this for 15 seconds more interval, and I need it to be more in liquid state than it is now. Let's put everything here that we're adding. And then they want massage bars. So we'll be doing 1 massage bar first, and then the next, because I've still got to add the honey and the vitamin E. So first things first, let's start off by adding our powders because they are water soluble. And then our goat's milk powder. So let's make sure everything gets in here. And this order is going to South Carolina. So nice. I still have not been to South Carolina, but I really want to go to the beaches. And I hear North Carolina has some really nice beaches too. Thanks everyone for your likes and follows. Yep. Okay, great. So now I am going to emulsify this. And let me remove it from the scale. And I want to zoom it so you can see. Okay, I love using an emulsifier because it just makes the formula so much better. And it just makes it even creamier and super fast. Okay, then I'm going to add in my oils. I'll do it from this side. So I'm going to create an emulsion. Okay, so maybe I should mix it with my soap mixer here, just so you can see the emulsion. Nice. Look at that, super nice. So I am gonna add my vitamin E, and then I'm gonna give it one last blast with my emulsion blender. So let's get our calculator out again. Okay, so let's pop these open. There we go. Thank you guys for all your likes and follows. Really appreciate it. So now we're just putting the final touch, which is the vitamin E. And this helps. It's an antioxidant, so it helps keep the soap fresh and good for a longer period of time. Okay, so I am going to give this a stir. And I am going to emulsify it. I'm going to give it another run. I really need it to completely integrate. So, and I'm gonna warm it up a little bit more. And after that, I am going to add my essential oils, and it will be ready to pour. I like to spritz my, okay, so my mold with a little bit of alcohol, but yeah, let's do this again. And I'm gonna zoom it in, yeah. Okay, good. Super extra creamy. Okay, so let's make sure we get everything in there. I'm already getting bubbles. Okay, so we need essential oil. Let me put it back on the scale. And tear it. Oh, it's so good. I love it already. Okay, now for this step I need to hurry up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear it and then put in my essential oils. I'm gonna put in some jasmine. And then just a little bit of sandalwood. Oh my god, the sandalwood smells so good. Sandalwood. And then I'm gonna give it a mix. Yeah, 0.29. That's pretty good on essential oils. But I could do more. Just depends. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Add a little bit of geranium. Just 3 drops. Oof, when I tell you it smells good, it smells good. Then just 1 sandalwood drop. Okay. Really good smell. So it's ready to pour into the molds. So let's do that then. And this is a massage bar. So let's pour it in here. I want this one. And again, I'm gonna mix it up, stir it a bit more just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Let's give it a go. And they do not want loofah, just making sure. I like to make sure it's a bit fluffy. And then I spray alcohol and remove the air bubbles as much as I can. I don't like air bubbles in the soap. Okay, great. So that's good. And now, guess what? They want honey, so honey they shall have. So time to put it back on the scale. Let's go ahead and put it back on the scale. And let's measure out 1% of honey. I'm going to tear it again. And I'm going to move this so slightly over. Okay. Yeah, so my honey is right here. At 1%, I actually need, let's see, 3.5 grams. So I need to measure it that way. 284 output. 2, 4. So then I'm going to need 2.84 grams of honey. And perfect. They went just a bit over, but that's totally fine. So now let's go ahead and mix that in. Oof, it's going to be even more silky and super soothing. Very extremely moisturizing soap. I love that. And hydrating. It smells so good. Guys, I could eat it literally. It smells like candy. Okay, so mixing it very well. Okay, so now I'm going to pour it in here. So I'll do the same thing and remove the air bubbles. There. Okay. And we've got 1 more to fill. Okay. Giving this a good stir, and then I'm going to go for this one. So let me move it up some so you guys can see it. It's totally fine. And then I want to like give a gift. Like I said, I like giving my customers gifts, so I'm gonna make them. I do have a bit of extra batter. Oh, air bubbles. So I'm gonna make like some cute little soaps. And since it's summertime, I'm gonna make some pineapple, small ones. Let me see if I can, yeah, there we go. You guys can see it. So I'm gonna pour in this one. Okay, it smells so good. I could eat it. It smells like candy, guys. Link in bio. So don't forget, if you want to check out the full ingredient list or other products, you can go to my link in bio. So let's melt this and see. Guys, it melted real fast. Okay, good. Oh my goodness. This soap smells so good. I don't even know what to do. It smells so good. Okay, so now just gonna pour it, mix it well, and then I'm gonna pour it into the pineapple. Okay, can you see? Yeah, you can see it. Oh, so cute. Let me see if I can get another one. Remove the air bubbles, and I'll do this one here. Dry it a little bit fast because it already had essential oils. That's fine. Some formulas dry fast once you add the essential oils, and it seems like this is one of them, but that's totally fine, totally acceptable. So yeah, then we just wait. I could pop them in the refrigerator so they can get done very, very quickly, well, within a couple hours, but it's kind of late, so I can let them just, you know, harden up and dry, solidify overnight. Guys, I wish y'all could smell it through the phone, but you can't. It smells very, very good. Perfect. So this order is done, and I am giving our friends 2 pineapple soaps just for fun because I am so nice. I always like to give the freebie sample of something, or just a freebie with every order, especially when you spend more than $35. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to like and follow, and don't forget to click on the link in bio as well. Okay guys, I will see you all on the next one, but thanks so much for all of your likes and follows, and don't forget to click on link in bio. Okay, good night everyone. Thank you for watching.